Right now, countries around the world are racing to build the ultimate robotic army, and China may already be leading the charge. From AI-powered humanoid soldiers to autonomous drone swarms and robotic tanks, the future of warfare is changing faster than most people realize. Some experts believe the first fully automated war could happen within the next decade. China is rapidly integrating robotics into nearly every branch of its military. China is not alone in this race. The United States, Russia, South Korea, and several European nations are also developing advanced military robots. Today, we'll explore the world's most powerful robot soldiers, and why China's military technology is making the rest of the world nervous. For centuries, wars depended on human strength, strategy, and numbers. But modern warfare is entering a completely new era. Artificial intelligence is now transforming the battlefield into a high-tech ecosystem where machines can detect targets, analyze threats, and attack faster than any human soldier ever could. Military robots already exist in many forms. Some are designed to carry heavy equipment. Others can patrol dangerous zones or disarm bombs. And some are fully armed combat systems capable of operating with minimal human control. The goal is simple: reduce human casualties while increasing military efficiency. But this creates a terrifying possibility. If machines become smarter, faster, and more independent, who will control them? Governments argue that robotic soldiers can save lives. Critics warn they could make wars easier to start. Because when fewer human soldiers die, political leaders may become more willing to enter conflicts. And that could change global security forever. China is investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence and autonomous military systems. The country has openly declared its ambition to become the world leader in AI technology. And according to defense analysts, China is rapidly integrating robotics into nearly every branch of its military. One of the most shocking developments is China's work on humanoid combat robots. Several Chinese tech companies have already revealed advanced humanoid machines capable of running, balancing, climbing stairs, and performing combat-style movements. While many of these robots are currently experimental, experts believe they could eventually become battlefield support units or even frontline soldiers. But humanoid robots are only the beginning. China is also developing autonomous tanks, robotic dogs equipped with rifles, underwater drones, and AI-controlled surveillance systems. Some military demonstrations have shown robot dogs carrying automatic weapons while moving through simulated combat zones. Others display swarms of drones capable of coordinated attacks. The strategy behind all this technology is clear: create an intelligent, interconnected robotic force that can overwhelm enemies with speed and precision. And unlike human armies, machines can operate continuously without exhaustion. China is not alone in this race. The United States, Russia, South Korea, and several European nations are also developing advanced military robots. One of the most famous examples comes from the United States. The U.S. military has tested robotic systems designed to transport supplies, scout dangerous terrain, and assist soldiers during combat missions. Some robots resemble mechanical dogs capable of carrying heavy gear across rough environments. Others are autonomous drones that can identify targets using AI. Russia has also introduced robotic combat vehicles equipped with machine guns and missile systems. These unmanned tanks are designed to enter high-risk combat zones without putting human soldiers in danger. Meanwhile, South Korea has experimented with automated border defense robots capable of detecting and tracking intruders. These systems use cameras, thermal imaging, and sensors to monitor restricted military areas. But perhaps the most dangerous technology of all is the rise of autonomous drone swarms. Instead of relying on a single powerful machine, military engineers are developing hundreds or even thousands of small drones that can work together like a hive mind. If one drone is destroyed, the swarm continues attacking. And because these drones are controlled by AI algorithms, they can react faster than human pilots. Some experts compare drone swarms to a new kind of digital weapon of mass destruction. But there's a major problem. What happens if an AI weapon makes a mistake? Unlike humans, machines do not understand morality. They follow algorithms. And if those algorithms fail, the consequences could be catastrophic. Critics fear autonomous weapons could accidentally target civilians or escalate conflicts without human approval. Imagine two rival AI systems reacting to each other faster than humans can intervene. A misunderstanding could trigger violence within seconds. Cybersecurity is another massive concern. If military robots are hacked, enemies could potentially take control of entire robotic systems. A hacked drone swarm could become impossible to stop. Some scientists and political leaders are now calling for international regulations on autonomous weapons. They argue that machines should never have the power to make life and death decisions without human oversight. But despite these warnings, the global AI arms race continues accelerating. Because no country wants to be left behind. China's rapid progress has alarmed military experts around the world. The country combines massive manufacturing power with advanced AI research and huge government investment. This gives China a unique advantage in developing military robotics at scale. Some analysts believe China could eventually deploy autonomous military systems faster than many Western nations. And because AI improves through data and repetition, the country with the largest testing capability may gain a critical edge. China is also focusing heavily on integrating civilian technology into military development. This means breakthroughs in commercial robotics and artificial intelligence could quickly be adapted for defense purposes. The result? A future where robotic soldiers become as common as tanks and fighter jets are today. And once that happens, global warfare may never look the same again. The age of robot warfare is no longer coming. It has already begun. Around the world, governments are building smarter machines, faster drones, and more powerful AI systems capable of transforming the battlefield forever. China's military ambitions show just how serious this technological revolution has become. But the real question is not whether robot soldiers will exist. The real question is how far will humanity allow them to go? Will AI protect human lives or make future wars even more dangerous? One thing is certain. The battle for the future of warfare has already started. And the next soldiers may not be human at all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future technology and military documentaries.